Canadians have some serious love for Slurpee, and who can blame them? So believe it or not, Winnipeg, Manitoba is the Slurpee capital of the world, 20 years running. People in Winnipeg drink enough Slurpee to fill 12 competition-sized pools. I'm Jennifer Bawa, and this is how we made our Slurpee. Slurpee was invented in the early 60s in Dallas, Texas, the birthplace of 7-Eleven. So 7-Eleven put together a task force to name the Slurpee. The team got together, and while they were brainstorming, one of the team members took a drink, and it made this slurping noise, and then hence the name of Slurpee. Let me tell you a little bit how Slurpee is made. The flavor concentrate starts in a bag. It's vetted through a CO2 line, then mixes with water in our Slurpee machine that then produces the perfect, consistent, chilled icy drink. We chill our Slurpee to the perfect temperature of -2.2 degrees Celsius. Our Slurpee here in Canada actually lasts longer and melts much slower. We've had some very interesting Slurpee flavors over the years: chocolate, banana, pink bubblegum, gummy bear, blue sour raspberry. And it's interesting, although cola is our top-selling flavor, blue is the most popular selling color of Slurpee, regardless of flavor. Our most popular pairing is a cool Slurpee with our crispy classic chicken. 50 years ago, the very first Slurpee was poured in Calgary, Alberta, way back in 1969, and it's now woven into the fabric of Canadian life. On wedding days, brides and grooms will come into a local 7-Eleven and take pictures inside a 7-Eleven with Slurpee in hand. These days, our Slurpee can come right to you.